Welcome back to Techmates. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover a Gmail account without your phone number. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, open your browser, type in recover your email account. If you scroll below, you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail by Google Help. Select this. In here, you have to land yourself onto forgot your password. You will see recover your Google account or Gmail. Open that link. Here, type in your email and then select next. Now it'll ask you that this phone is yours, and if you have used this Google account in your device before, Google will automatically recognize it, and all you have to do is select next. And likewise, it will lead you back to a page like this. It says you can update your password now if you have forgotten it. Exactly what you should do, select update password. In here, create a new password, confirm it, and select save password. And as you do that, you will be able to recover your Gmail account. This is how you can do it. If you would like to see more tutorials on this, you may go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if this helped you, you can join our Techmates membership today. Member gets priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.